Good morning children. Do you remember what we have learned in the last class? We have learned about the parts of the plant and we have studied about root in detail. Children, here is a diagram of plant. So we have already studied about root system and you know that root grows below the ground. Now, we are going to study about shoot system or shoot. Children, tell me, where do you find the shoot or shoot system? Yes, it grows above the ground. So, can you tell me, what do you mean by a shoot? Yes, it is the part of the plant which generally grows above the ground, that forms the shoot. Now, children, tell me, what are the different parts present on a shoot? What are those? Just recall and tell me. I am not going to show you the diagram now. So, shoot bears stem, then leaves, then comes fruits, then flowers, bud, then branches. So all these parts are present in shoot system or shoot. Now here stem is the main part of the shoot. Now we are going to study more about stem. So first let us study the types of stem. Name this plant, children. Which plant is this? So this is the neem tree. So look at this stem. So look at the stem. How does it look? It is strong, it is hard and woody. It is hard and woody. Look at this next picture, children. It is a cherry tree. Again, look here. How does the stem look? It is hard and woody. So, this type of stems are called hard and woody stems. So hard and woody stems are, we call them as trunks. So hard and woody stems are called trunks. So trees have such types of stems. You can make a list of trees which have this hard and woody stem. Tamarind, then neem already discovered, then you can go for a mango tree. So many trees, they have hard and woody stems. So look at these plants, children. Which plant is this? Coriander. So when you just touch the stem of the coriander and just press it. How do you feel? It is soft. So, it has a soft stem. How about this plant? Which is this plant? This is mint plant. So, mint, that is mint. So, you have seen, no? Here. So, when just touch that stem, so it will be soft. So, this type of stem this is the soft stem. So, some more examples for soft stem. Herbs have soft stem. Herbs have soft stem. So, the grass plant has a soft stem. Garlic, it has a soft stem. And tomato, it has a soft stem. Rice, then wheat plant, it has a soft stem. So now All these have the soft stem. Now look at this plant. You know this. This is a rose plant. So if you touch the stem of the rose plant, how do you feel? Is it soft? If you touch, you can little bit bend that stem, but at the same time you feel woody. Soft. It is soft also. It is woody also. So this type of stem we call them as soft and woody stem. See, one more example is here, that is bougainvillea. Even you can take the example of hibiscus also. So this is about soft and woody stem. Name this plant, children. Yes, grapevine. So how does it grow? It needs a support to grow. Why does it need support to grow? Have you ever thought about it? Children, see. This is the stem of grapevine. Correct? So how does it look? It is V. That's why it needs support. So this is the watermelon plant. Okay? Observe the stem here. It just creeps. It just creeps on the ground. So these are V stems. They cannot stand straight. They need some support. So these are the V stems. Now let us study the functions of stem. So how are the stems important to the plants? So first function is backbone. They are the backbone of a plant. Children, we all have a backbone. So that we can stand straight. So in the same way, stems keep the most plants upright. Upright means they stand erect. So this is how we call stem as the backbone of a plant. Children, you already know that plant requires water to grow and for its life. So root absorbs the water. So the water has to reach to the leaves and to other parts of the plant body. Who carries water to the different parts of the plant body? Can you tell me? Yes, it is the stem. So it carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves. So children, you also know that leaves prepare food. Then again from the leaves, food has to reach to the different parts of the plant body. So then again tell me, who carries food to the different parts of the plant body? Yes, right, you are right, children. It is the stem. It also helps in carrying food from leaves to other parts of the plant. And one more function, stems of some plants store extra food prepared by the plant. See, examples I can show you. Potato is a stem. So, potato plant stores extra food prepared by the plant in the stem. That is why this stem looks like this. Ginger is a stem. So it also stores the extra food prepared by the plant in the stem. Sugarcane is also a stem. So all these stems are edible. We use them to make vegetables, and this is a we make the sugarcane, we use the juice to make the juice. So now this is all about stem. Now let us study about leaf. So where do you find the leaf on the plant? On the plant body, where do you find it? So you find the leaf on the stem. And what is the color of the leaf? You know that it is green. Why is it green? Because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll in the leaves. That is why they are green. So now let us see the functions of a leaf. So you already know an important function, children. You have understood already. In the first lesson we have discussed about it. So can you tell me what is that? I can give you a clue here. That is, it is the kitchen of the plant. Yes, it prepares the food. So how do they go about it? How do they prepare the food? So they use water and air, and they prepare the food in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, and the food is prepared. So what are the requirements of the preparation of the food for the plant? They need water, they need air, and food is prepared in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. What do you call this process? So this process is called, yes, tell me, photosynthesis. So this process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means put together. So all together they put together water, air in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. That is, the food is prepared. So here now shall we try to define the process of photosynthesis, children? Can you try? Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their own food with the help of air and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this process we call it as photosynthesis. Now the next function is exchange of gases. So exchange of gases takes place in plant through small pores. So what do you call these pores, children? We have learned it in the first lesson. That is stomata. So the exchange of gases, like carbon dioxide and oxygen, takes place through these small pores called stomata. So the next function is storage of food. So the extra food prepared by the plant is stored in some leaves. For example, cabbage, spinach, you can take lettuce. So these cabbage is a leaf. So it stores the extra food prepared by the plant. Even spinach also, lettuce also, all these leaves we use them as vegetables. Children, we have studied about stem and we have studied about the leaf. Now let us recap what we have learned in this class. The shoe comprises of the stem, branch, leaves, buds, flowers and flowers. Types of stems: hard and woody stem, soft stems and weak stem. The stem keeps the plant upright. Leaves prepare the food for the plant. So that's all for today, children. Have a nice day.